ओम मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधी मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। घटपटौ भिन्नौ, दिस भेद विषयक बुद्धि and abheda shruti, advaita shruti, between these two, ghatapata bhinnau, this buddhi should do badha advaita buddhi, but it is not able to do because when I know the bheda between ghata and pata, the bheda jnanam, that jnanam and advaita shruti, between them the bheda is not known. Where that bheda is not available, there advaita shruti will get avakasha. That is what we saw in the shloka 421. Sudura dhavana shranta bada buddhi parampara, where the bada buddhi parampara will get exhausted. There will come and show the abheda. Abheda bodhana shruti or advaita bodhana shruti. Further, after the shloka, nacha सिद्धांते घट तद्धि भेद ग्राहिणा आशेन साक्षिणा स्वस्मिन् इतर भेद ग्रहणात् नानवस्था तथा स्वस्य घटादिभ्यो स्यात् इति वाच्यम्. सिद्धांते घट तद्धि भेद ग्राहिणा, from that onwards is Puravaksha. Siddhanti will say iti nacha vachyam. What is Puravaksha saying? In Siddhanta, you said there is anavastha dosha, and therefore somewhere you will have to stop, and then Advaita Shruti will come, which will remove all the Bheda. So Advaita Shruti will do Siddhi of all Abheda. Purvapaksha says it will not happen. Why? Ghata and Ghata Jnanam. He uses the word Ghata Tadhi. Tadhi means Ghata Jnanam. Ghata and Ghata Jnanam, they have Bheda. Bheda Grahina Swaprakashena Sakshena. Who will know the Ghata and Ghata Jnana? Both of them Sakshi. Sakshi will know Ghata, Sakshi will know Ghata Jnana. Sakshi, Purvapaksha says, Sakshi will also know Ghata Jnana Bheda, and because Ghata is Drishya, Ghata Jnanam is Drishya. Sakshi will know them as different from itself. This is what we say, so he is using that argument. And at that time, Sakshi Ghata Bheda is also there. Sakshi Ghata Jnana Bheda is also there. So Sakshi will know all this. Sakshi will know Ghata. Sakshi will know Sakshi Ghata Bheda. Sakshi will know Ghata Jnanam. Sakshi will know Sakshi Ghata Jnana Bheda. So if all these Bhedas are known, where is the scope for Abheda Siddhi? So then there is no Anavastha. This is Puravaksha saying. Ghata tad bheda tadhi bheda grahina swaprakashena sakshena swasmin itar bhedasyapi grahanat. Swasmin itar bheda. In Sakshi there is Sakshi Ghata bheda. In Sakshi there is Sakshi Ghata Jnana bheda. Swasmin itar bhedasyapi grahanat. Na anavastha. There is no anavastha dosha. It will know bheda 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 everywhere. अन्यथा स्वस्य घटादिभ्यो अभेद संशयः स्यात्. Anyatha, what will happen otherwise? Swasya sakshinah. Ghatadibhyo abheda samshayah syat. Sakshi and Ghata abheda. Sakshi Ghata Jnana abheda. So he says, Purvapakshi says, neither there is anavastha and nor there is abheda samshaya. Because bheda grahanam is spashtam. So Sakshi means aham. Aham should feel I am one with Ghata or not. At least this doubt should come. Samshayapatti should be there. Siddhanti says, iti nacha vachyam. Sakshinaha swaprakashatve api swanistha itar pratiyogika bheda grahe itar pratiyogi upasthiti sapekshatvat. Sakshi is swaprakasha, that is true. But swanistha itar pratiyogika bheda. Swanistha, swa is Sakshi. Sakshi nishtha itara. Itara is Ghata. Sakshi nishtha Ghata pratiyogika bheda. So Ghata is pratiyogi. Ghata pratiyogika bheda grahanam by Sakshi, which is Swayam Prakasha. This bheda grahanam is sapeksha, is not nirapeksha. What apeksha it has? Itara pratiyogi upasthiti sapekshatvat. Itara pratiyogi is Ghata. Ghata pratiyogi upasthiti means what? Sakshi will be able to know the Bheda Jnanam with Ghata or Ghata Jnanam only when first it has already done Grahanam of that Pratiyogi. If Pratiyogi Rupa Itar Padartha, if that Grahanam is not there earlier, then Sakshi will not be able to know Swanishtha Itara Pratiyogika Bheda. Prior to that Bheda Jnanam, it has to do Vishaya Grahanam separately, whatever is the Vishaya. So first, if Ghata Jnana is there, then when Sakshi knows Ghata, then Sakshi will not say, I am Ghata. So first Jnanam is Ghata Jnanam. Second Jnanam is Sakshi Ghata Bheda Jnanam. Ghata Jnanam, then Sakshi Ghata Bheda Jnanam. If Ghata Jnanam is not there before, Sakshi Ghata Bheda Jnanam will not happen. That is this sentence. So then, when this knowledge takes place that aham ghatat bhinna swanishta itara ghata pratyogika bheda, this grahanam, when it happens, then at that time I don't have, see, Swanishta itara pratyogika bheda grahanam, when it is happening, then at that time the bheda between the Sakshi, first jnanam is Ghata jnanam. Second jnanam is Sakshi Ghata Bheda jnanam. When Sakshi Ghata Bheda jnanam takes place, then at that time I am different from this Bheda jnanam. First is Ghata jnanam, second is Sakshi Ghata Bheda jnanam. Third is Sakshi and Bheda Jnanam. Bheda Jnanam is Sakshi Ghata Bheda Jnanam. So this third knowledge you will have to accept. Because Bheda Jnanam is different from me, that I don't know. Ghata Jnanam is different from me. But Sakshi and Ghata Jnana Bheda, that Jnanam is different from Sakshi, that is not known. So you will have to accept another Jnana. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
I hope everybody got some idea.
Yes, Swamiji.
So when this Bheda Jnanam is not there, means a point will come when I don't know this Bheda. Otherwise, if you go on accepting this, we already saw earlier, you will not have Sushupti, because constantly there will be Bheda Jnanam, Bheda Jnanam, Bheda Jnanam. And you will not be able to do another Vishaya Vyavahara, you will not have another Vishaya Jnanam. And therefore, somewhere you will have to stop out of the fear of anavastha. So there where you say, okay, no more Bheda Jnanam, there Advaita Shruti will come and do Advaita Siddhi, Abheda Siddhi. If you don't accept this, anyatha, swasya antakaranadi abheda brahmo na syat. Right now, at the Ajnana Kala, the understanding is I am Antakarana. Sakshi Antakarana Bheda is not there. So that's what he says. Anyatha swasya sakshina antakarnadi abheda brahma. Sakshi is one with antakarana. This abheda is bhranti. It would not happen because in the previous sentence he said itara pratiyogi upasthiti sapeksha. Itara is antakarana here. Ghata you live now. Antakarana and sakshi. So first I should get the knowledge of antakarana. Then I will be able to know bheda between sakshi and antakarana. Ghata jnanam is possible through chakshuradi indriya. But the jnanam of ghata jnanam or ghata jnana bheda, this bheda jnanam, which is taking place in antakarana, with that antakarana and sakshi, bheda is not possible to recognize because earlier I have not gained the knowledge of antakarana separately. That itara pratiyogi upasthiti, if it is not there, then tat sapeksha swanishta itara pratiyogi ka bheda grahanam will not happen. So swanishta antakarana bheda jnanam should always happen to sakshi. If that happens, then sakshi antakarana abheda brahma would never happen. But abheda brahma is there. That means antakarana bheda jnanam is not happening to sakshi in ajnana kala. And in jnana kala, what happens?
Antakarana is mithya.
Antakarana is understood as mithya, vivarta of that same sakshi. So now also bheda jnanam is not there. In ajnana kala, out of aviveka, bheda jnanam is not there. In jnana kala, out of mithyatva of antakarana, bheda jnanam is not there. So these ideas, if they are well digested in Shuddha Antakarana, there is no way abheda will not happen. But if buddhi is not ready for some of these things, then we will have struggle. Swaprakashena bhedagrahe api manantarena bhedagrahat na ghatadi abheda samshaya iti na kinchit etat. And therefore, swaprakashena bheda agrahe api. Sakshi is swaprakasha, and therefore, bheda agrahanam. Bheda means swanishtha itara pratiyogi ka bheda. So even if Sakshi doesn't have that, bheda agrahe api manantarena bheda grahat. Through other pramanantarena, bheda jnanam will take place. Anya praman means some anumana, etc. When bheda jnanam is siddha, then na ghatadi abheda samshaya iti na kinchit etat. Ghatadi abheda samshaya will not happen. Na ghatadi abheda samshaya iti. So therefore, na kinchit etat is the doubts that Purvapakshi raised is mithya only, is insignificant. Anuman will be aham ghatadibhyo bhinna chetanatvat devadattavat. Aham ghatadibhyo bhinna. I am different from ghatadi because I am Chetana. So then, am I different from Ghata or not? This kind of, or if I am non-different from Ghata or not, that samshaya is, there is no room for samshaya. Purvapakshi, what he said, see in the previous line we saw, Anyatha swasya ghatadibhyo abheda samshayah syat. Siddhanti says, swasya ghatadibhyo abheda samshaya na syat. Abheda samshaya means whether I am one with Ghata or not. So once Bheda Jnanam is there, then samshaya will not happen. If Bheda Jnanam is there. Further. In the Hindi they have given घटादि भेद स्वप्रकाश साक्षी से गृहित न होने पर भी प्रमाणांतर से गृहित हो जाता है. घटादि भेद even if it is not known through स्वप्रकाश. So you see, Ghata Sakshi Bheda is known. Antakarana Sakshi Bheda is not known. Purvapaksha said, if Antakarana Sakshi Bheda is not known, how Ghata Sakshi Bheda is known? Ghata Sakshi Bheda is known because Ghata is known through other Pramanam also. Antakaranam is not known through other Pramanam, distinctly from Sakshi. Further. Syadetat. Okay, Purvapakshi says, let it be so. Ghatapatau bhinnau iti pratyaksham swasya advaita jnanadina bhedam vina anupapattes tamapyakshipati iti sarvatra bhedasya apratyakshatvepi nadvaita shruter avakashah. Ghatapatau bhinnau. This is pratyaksha jnanam. Ghata and pata are bhinna. Pratyaksham swasya advaita jnanadina bhedam vina anupapatte. Swasya advaita jnanadina bhedam vina. Swas घटपट भेद ज्ञानस्य. घटपट भेद ज्ञानम and advaita jnanam. Now he is comparing these two. Ghatapata bheda jnanam and advaita jnanam. Ghatapata bheda jnanam and advaita jnana bheda. This you have to know. Ghatapatau bhinnau iti pratyaksham swasya advaita jnanadina bhedam vina. Swasya advaita jnanadina bheda. Swasya means ghatapata bheda jnanasya. Advaita jnanadina bhedam vina anupapatte. तम अपि आक्षिपति. पूर्व पक्ष is doing आक्षेप on that. इति सर्वत्र भेदस्य अप्रत्यक्षत्वे अपि न अद्वैत श्रुतेर अवकाश. Everywhere, even though भेद need not be प्रत्यक्ष, like this घटपट भेद ज्ञानम and अद्वैत श्रुति, that bheda is not known. Purvaksha says even if that bheda is not pratyaksha, Advaita Shruti will never have avakasha. Because everywhere we have bheda jnana. So this is akshipati, this is the akshepa. Atra uchyate, akshepo hi, now Siddhanti is asking, anumanam arthapattirva. This akshepa, is it anumana or arthapatti? So, because everywhere it cannot be pratyaksha, akshepa has to be through some anumanam or arthapatti. Tatra vivadadhyasita buddhihi sarvato bhinna. This is the anumanam. Purvapakshi will say. Vivada adhyasita buddhi is this bhed buddhi. Sarvato bhinna is different from all. Or सर्वतो भिन्न is sadhya. This anumanam na sambhavati, Siddhanti says. Why? Swatopi bheda sadhane badhat. If you say vivadadhyasita buddhi sarvato bhinna, so in sarva vivadadhyasita buddhi is there or not?
Yes.
In paksha, in sarva, paksha will also come. So he says, swatopi bheda sadhane, swataha swasmat bhinnam. A thing is different from itself. This you will have to face. This vakya is badhita. Swatopi bheda sadhane badhat. Because swa will not have bheda with swa. Swasya swataha bhedo na. One. Second, drashtantasya cha sadhya vikalatvat. Anything that you find drashtanta also will not have sarvato bhinna sadhya. In drashtanta, sadhya has to be there. Drashtanta, any drashtanta you take, that is already included in sarva. So you will have to say that drashtanta has bheda with itself, which is also not true. So in drashtanta, sadhya will not be there. So sadhya vaikalya dosha will come. यतः कुतश्चित् भेद साधने तु अनुमान विषये लब्धावकाशा श्रुतिः अभेदं बोधयिष्यति. यतः कुतश्चित् भेद साधनम. So somebody says not sarvatah. Somewhere. See, somewhere if you do bheda sadhanam through anumanam, then what is anumana avishaya? In that, labdhavakasha, shruti. Labdho avakasho yaya shrutya sa shrutihi labdhavakasha. It got the room. Which shruti? Abheda shruti. because there were, if you do some place abheda sadhanam, so in paksha, there where abheda is not siddha, there shruti will enter. Purvapakshi says, no, let's do this away. Not sarvato bhinna. Swavyatiriktad bhinna. Swavyatiriktad sarvato bhinna. Nacha swavyatiriktad sarvato bhinna iti sadhyam. Siddhanti says even that sadhyam will not work. Swavyatiriktad sarvato bhinna. Because if you add swavyatiriktha as visheshana, Advaitavadinam prati aprasiddha visheshanatvat. That visheshana is aprasiddha for Advaiti. Swavyatiriktad. Because for Advaiti, there is no Swavyatirikta. So, that Visheshana will be inaccurate. Etena sarvam sarvasmad bhinnam iti vakyam api nirastam. So, this vakyam that is used, sarvam sarvasmad bhinnam, everything is different from everything. So, this sentence itself is inaccurate. Because sarva, if it is there in paksha, in sadhya, sarvasmat, what is there in paksha will be repeated in sadhya, which is wrong. What is there in drashtanta will be repeated in sadhya, which is also wrong. So this vakya will not be applied. Taduktam. So in some places, Siddhanti will argue just to counter the Purvapaksha. Logically, but it is not for proving one's own point, but it is to refute their point. This is again from Khandana. Hetwadya bhava sarvagnye sarvam pakshayata sthite. Kinchit tu tyajata datta saiva dvara dvaya shrutehe. Sarvam pakshayata asthite. If you put everything as paksha, sarva will become paksha, then hetwadi abhava sarvagnye. Hetu abhav will be there. Then drashtanta abhav will be there. Sadhya abhav will be there. Because everything is in paksha only. Sarvam is part of paksha now. One. And then sarvagnye. If you say sarvam is paksha, who will be able to know sarvam? Sarvagnya only. So to put sarva as paksha, you expect that only sarvagnya will do this anumana. Sarvagnya is for that. So you will have these apatti. Hetwadi abhava, 1. Sarvagnyam for anumana, 2. So then you will let go somewhere. Kinchittu tyajata, what you give up, saiva dwar. Dwara is pullinga. Dwar with rakara halant is strilinga shabda, means the same thing. Dwara. So anvaya you have to do dwaha advaya shrutehe. Not dwara dvaya. Not dvaya shruti. Advaya shruti. Advaya shrutehe datta. So kinchittu tyajata advaya shrutehe dwara datta. This has become the gateway, entrance, entry point for advaya shruti is given. Advaya shruti will enter there to remove dvaitam. So it is a rakaranta shabda. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।